Hello! In this video, I will show you how to remove objects in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to right-click here. Duplicate layer. Now, click here on Object Selection tool and choose what you want to delete. Or you can also try with the free selection tool in case you don't see what you want to delete. Then we will go to Select, Modify, Expand, and here we will put 30. Now we will go to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and here we'll see what it looks like. To confirm, click OK. To deselect, we click here and click on any part of the screen. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.